Hey, I'm Dhruv, and I'm one of the founders of Create. We just launched data stores. Data stores let you make apps that, well, store data. They give your app a full database under the hood. But since it's Create, all you need to do to make one is just say a few words. Let me show you how they work today. I made this simple tool to collect feedback about Create. It has a form with 4 questions. Now, I want to store my users' responses somewhere. I just type / and choose Create a Data Store. Next, I name it something I'm going to recognize later, like FeedbackDB. Then, I just describe how I want my app to use it. That's it. You don't need to define a schema. Just describe how you want the database to be used, and Create will figure out how to set up the tables and write the queries to use it. When someone uses my app, data is saved in my database. I can go to the data store I made to see the data in it. Once I've made a data store, I can use it for any of my Create projects. Here, I made another project that lets me see all the data in the database on my phone. Built-in data stores really level up what you can make with Create. Here's an app one creator made that stores book recommendations like Goodreads. Here's another fully working clone of Hacker News that lets you make posts. There's so much more you can now create with built-in data stores. We can't wait to see what you make.